Here we are at 1239 East Clay Street. Let's head on up. Take a look. It's presented by Properties Unlimited. Kary Moore is listed for $284,950. Starts with a nice wrought iron gate. The fence is in. Nice patio area in front. Also has a nice enclosed front porch. Couple nice side lights. Nice metal security gate. Opens up into a nice entry area. It's rather large. The door's got an arched opaque glass window to go along with the paneled wood door. As we come into the right is the living room, all freshly painted. 3 windows, beautiful brick white fireplace, the mantle, a perfect spot for a big screen. Right there, nice flat big screen. It's got a cute little inlay tile here, these 18 by 18 tiles. Is that a nice little touch? And then this wall could also be taken down to open it up a bit, but it is connected here to the kitchen. And the kitchen has plenty of cabinetry. Floor to ceiling. It's got matching tile, backsplash, counter, and floor. There's a nice Frigidaire 5-burner stove, General Electric microwave, LG dishwasher, the double sink, looks out to a nice bay view window. Put your little plants here. It's got an incinerator, 2/3 tank capacity for instant hot water, as well as a garbage disposal. Also, the added luxury of an in-house laundry room. It's nicely tiled with blue. It has both the option of a 220 plug or gas for the dryer. It's got some cabinet space. Nice area. Also goes off to the garage. Hallway is very, very generous. One of the bigger hallways I've ever seen. It's very spacious for potato sack races. The main bathroom is also large. Also tastefully done in that blue tile. Tub with shower above. It's got a nice, tasteful 4-bulb light fixture, mirrored base cabinet, Corian sink. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,464 square feet. I think the best thing about the house is this huge 17 by 15 plus master bedroom. You may never leave this. All the bedrooms have ceiling fans with lights, 4-bulb lights. It has a master bedroom walk-in closet. And then the pocket door here hides the door. But it's got a beautiful double sink, granite, the mirrored, and a nice tasteful light. Great floor tiles as well. The 2 bedrooms are across the hall. They're both identical. They're about 12 by 10. Both have the same flooring, 18 by 18 inch ceramic tile. Has the mirrored floor to ceiling, closet doors. has 3 lights, ceiling fan. The metered closet gives it a little bigger sense. It's a beautiful family house, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,464 square feet, built 1988. The garage is a great option too. It is fully sheetrocked. Automatic garage door opener by Genie. And that opens nicely. Security gate goes out to the patio. Take a look outside. The security gate, which is bolt, opens up to a nice covered patio. So you can do your barbecues out here. Just a little getaway. I love the little getaways they have in this house. Front yard, side yard. Pool options. So over there in that door, there's a new hot water heater. I think it's about 3 years old, 50 gallon. And in the back, we'll quickly take a jaunt down to the concrete pad. And it has a Guardian air conditioner, compressor, condenser. And then you've got RV access. So, come take a look, give me a call, we'd love to show it to you. I can reach us at 916-869-2151. I'm Kary Moore. I would love to sell you this home at 1239 East Clay Street in Stockton, California. Thanks and have a great day.